another video, y'all. As y'all can tell by the title, y'all already know what's going on today, man. On my way to the shop right now, and a check engine light came on the car. Good news is I already took it. I took it to like AutoZone and got a reader for it. It's just a small evap leak for emissions, which is not that big of a deal, but at the same time, it's like, damn, I don't feel like doing this today. But it is what it is. I was supposed to get a diagnostic on the car anyway, so I'm going to get a full diagnostic on the car, and I'm going to get rid of this check engine light, a small evap leak. They told me it's probably 9 times out of 10 the gas cap, because it's not really a leak, so it's going to be something so similar as that. So I'm going to, if y'all are familiar with Eurofed, I'm going to Eurofed right now on my way there. So yeah, man, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This is our fourth or fifth video back for the year. We've been locked in this year, I ain't gonna lie. As y'all can see, the light did come on, but we on our way to get that removed now. Definitely can't be riding around with no goddamn check engine light, but long as it's easy and simple, I'm not really tripping. So we're about to go to Eurofed right now and check this out. If y'all don't know, Eurofed is a pretty big company out here in Atlanta, probably the #1, honestly. I used to take my cars to Solo, but try Eurofed. I heard a lot of good stuff about them, and hopefully it's something simple where it's like, if y'all have a BMW, y'all check engine light, come on, y'all have the codes too, maybe y'all can go ahead and knock them shits out. But it should be easy. So I'm actually gonna show y'all the paper when I stop. The paper sitting over there in the door jam, but I'm gonna show y'all the paper that I have, which shows that it's like a PP030, I think, something like that, a small evap leak. Hopefully they be quick, cause I'm not trying to be in the shop all day today. It's nice outside. It's been like the first nice day in a while. This car's slamming on their brakes. But yeah, man, I got a lot of questions on like the last couple of videos of like how I'm enjoying the truck. The truck is great. It's pretty much everything I expected it was going to be. It's nimble, fast, big, you know, perfect. Like I said, a perfect daily, and I have no complaints at all regarding this truck. Like I said in all my videos, y'all looking to get this truck, I think y'all should get it. If y'all looking to get a new car, a new BMW, I think I should get it. But just know, these check engine lights come with these cars, so if y'all trying to keep them check engine lights off, y'all damn sure gonna have to come out of pocket. It's my exit over here. I gotta go 31A or B. I don't know. I didn't see. Oh, it's right here. Okay. I should have brought my GoPro. Way easier to record and drive this big ass camera. I'm trying to give y'all like a little POV vibe on my way there, and just talk to y'all, man. I realized I don't talk to y'all as much when I edit my videos. I look back like, damn, I didn't really say much to y'all. So we need to be over there getting the GT3 real soon. Y'all give me a lot of likes and engagement so I can get that GT3. Oh, I hate when I get behind these fucking trucks. Like, what the hell are you honking at me for? You have to let me over, dickhead. Anyway, let me get from behind this truck. I hate being behind dumb trucks. This shit stuff just fly. I got behind another one? Come on, bro. This shit can't be real. What the hell is that? It's a weird looking car, I'm not gonna lie. This pollen out here got the truck so dirty. I can see the hood. If y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see on camera, but the hood is so dirty. And I just washed the car. I made it to Eurofed. Let me go ahead and park. I'm gonna park right here, actually. Got a lot of clean stuff outside. Let me go ahead and see what's going on with the car. Step inside because it's fucking cold as shit in here. But right now I'm sitting right here waiting for the car to be done. They told me it's gonna be about an hour or so. We're gonna wait about an hour and see. Something on the camera. Wait about an hour and see what they're doing. Right now I'm sitting here looking at this fucking, it's a 330 or 328. I'm not really sure. Actually, hold on. It's a 335 because of the dual pipes, possibly. But I seen somebody transform this shit into a M3 on YouTube. That was pretty sick. And they got this ZL1 and this M4 sitting right here. Super clean ZL1, not gonna lie. I'm not like a big ZL1 fan or nothing like that, but that shit's clean. I'm not a Camaro guy, but I fucks with it. The color's hard. But hopefully they hurry up and finish. I'm ready to go. If they don't come out and tell me everything's actually $20,000, I think I'm gonna do like a quick little fit check for y'all. Hold on. Got Golden Goose shoes, Balenciaga pants, white tee, and Old Navy jacket. Just some chill shit for the day, honestly. Nothing too crazy. If y'all ain't noticed already, the Golden Goose are my favorite shoes. They're literally my everydays. Lemon pepper steppers. Alright, y'all, I'm back in the car. As y'all can see, can you turn? Alright. Guess we're not gonna turn. Alright, so they officially got rid of the check engine light, as y'all can see. It was just an evap system. They pretty much, so I forgot the name already. I can't fucking think. Okay, it was an evap pump detection sensor. So that sensor had to be replaced. We went ahead and did that. That was really quick. That took about an hour of my time, and I'm glad I'm back in the car because the pollen out there was fucking killing me. But that said, they pretty much said that it was a leak detection system, which is common on this car. I've never heard of it, and I never heard of it being a problem on this car. Obviously, I'm new to it, but if y'all watch my other video where I replaced this same part on my truck, I actually just got under my truck and replaced it. And just to show y'all how easy it is to replace that detection sensor, I put a clip right here, and how it takes 5 seconds compared to an hour to replace that. That's what they mean by like these foreign cars, and it's so hard to work on, it's so tight, and they charge these crazy ass labor prices. Mind you, Eurofed labor price is $200 an hour. Like, that's ridiculous in itself, but they do good work. Like I said, I went to some shops, local, good name brand shops, and I don't trust them no more. They kind of left your car like whatever, like you pay too much money for people to just leave your car however they want to leave it. But yeah, man, so I'm glad I'm back on the road. He told me actually he wouldn't worry about it. Like, he wouldn't have worried about it because it's just something to do with emissions. Pretty much if you wanted to wait, I could and just get it done right before emissions, because there's no hassle on the truck or whatever. The truck is in great shape. Nothing's wrong with it. That's good to hear, because I was supposed to get a diagnostic when I brought this truck anyway. But yeah, there's that on that. I don't know why, but luckily everything came out great. And he was like asking me about the truck. He was like, bro, the cooling features on your truck is sick. And I was like, I never seen that. I said, yeah. Like, I told him it was crazy. He was like, is it the massage seats in that one? I said, yeah. He's like, that's fucking sick. So I was explaining to him all the options they have and stuff. He didn't even know BMW made the Sky Lounge option on the roof. So he was kind of hype about that. I guess you don't really get much X7s at these shops. That's why I said before, the people that buy this truck usually go to BMW or old people, or like people that's not really trying to do nothing with it. I feel like I'm the first person, especially on the internet, that's gonna do something that needs to be done to this truck to make it pop the way it does. Like, this truck stands out on the road a lot. So yeah, that fix was the parts was $220, and the rest was labor. The labor on these goddamn trucks is ridiculous. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. If I'm not ending the video right here, obviously I'm not ending it, but if I am, I'll catch y'all on the next video. I appreciate y'all for watching to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell them to subscribe, my boy. Subscribe to Moe VIewz. Bye bye.